Wash your hands, it's time to play. We're going to bake today. Put on your hat, tie your lace, and let's have fun in the baking place. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Let's begin just like we planned. Clap them soft, clap them loud. Baking fun for everyone now. Mix it up, stir it round. Lots of fun is what we found. Bake, bake, hip hooray. We love baking every day. Mix in ingredients. Pour the flour in the bowl. Crack an egg and mix it slow. Add some milk and sugar too. Stir it up. 1, 2, 2. Mix it up, stir it round. Happy baking, fun-filled sound. Bake, bake, hip hooray. We love baking every day. Roll and shake.